been hearing weird noises in my room, and like, I'm scared, bro. Did you hear that? My brother's music is on right now. I'm really scared, man. Whoa. I swear I just doing something. Bro, right, I'm scared, man. Bro, right. I don't know what's happening right now. It's like 12 o'clock in the morning. It's like already. That's weird, right? I keep on hearing like a banging noise. It's really creepy. I keep on hearing like drops of rain. The Sheldon poster. I felt like a fucking poster. Oh shit. Bro, right, I'm really scared right now, guys. And the only thing is, like, I've been watching things about ghosts and that, so like, bro. My brother has his music on. He's not freaked out at all. But like, I can't get to sleep. I've been watching like, ghost things. And then all of a sudden I kept on hearing noises. And like, bruh. I'm actually really scared right now. Did you guys see anything? Please tell me if you saw anything. Right. My mum and my brother's in, like, bruh. Even hearing like drops of rain and that. It's really scary, man. I'm so scared right now, guys. I don't think ghosts are real, but like, it's fucking creeping me out, fam. I'll be alright, I swear, I'll be fine. What am I hearing next to? Oh. Alright. Guys, I'm so scared right now, and I just want you guys to know, like, yeah. Please wish me good luck. Bruh, right, in a bit, guys.